Place the hardness tester on a level testing platform to ensure accurate measurements. Use the grooved holder to prevent the sample from tilting during testing. Connect the power cable securely to the device. Switch on the power to initialize the machine. Log in with your user account to access the system. Configure the unit test cycles and interval settings as needed. Once the device completes self-reset, press Start to begin the test. You can monitor the testing process through the visual observation window. The test will automatically stop once completed. Test results are saved directly onto the device for easy access. Later, you can retrieve data through the System Data Management interface. Export selected records via USB drive or print them by connecting to a printer. Finally, turn off the power. Disconnect the device safely.